This one literally is sitting right on my car window. He's sitting at the weirdest angle. I mean, like, how's he even sitting there? Like, how's he doing this? He or she. These must be baby birds that are learning to fly. I don't know. Okay, now this one's sitting on my car too. The other one left, but this one is now sitting on my car, and they're all about, they look to be the same type of bird, the same type of species. They're all the same type of species, but they keep coming to my car. It's cracking me up. This one came, or it's a different one. Yeah, this one may be a different one. Hey, pretty bird. You like my car?